Easy way to solve 3-step Parkes test. We will see some scenarios and solve the test accordingly. So here I have given an example of right hypertropia that worsens with right gaze and right tilt. So always remember that if hypertropia worsens on same gaze, the muscle involved will be inferior, and if it's worsening on the same tilt, then muscle involved will always be an oblique muscle. So another scenario, right gaze and left tilt. See, same gaze, inferior muscle, and opposite tilt, it will always be a rectus muscle. So another scenario, the hypertropia worsening on the left gaze, opposite gaze, so it is in superior muscle, and opposite tilt, it is a rectus muscle. And if it is worsening on the opposite gaze and same tilt, so it is in superior muscle, and same tilt, so it is in oblique muscle. Now we know that these 4 muscles are responsible for the right eye hypertropia, but how to pinpoint one muscle? Right gaze, right tilt, inferior oblique, and inferior oblique is an elevator of the left eye, so it is left inferior oblique in this scenario. And we have pinpointed the inferior rectus muscle, that is depressor of right eye, so this will be right inferior rectus. Similarly, superior rectus is responsible for elevation of the left eye, so left superior rectus in this scenario, and superior oblique is responsible for depression of the right eye. So if right hypertropia, left gaze, worsening in the left gaze and worsening in the right tilt, so this is right superior oblique.